Today's topic is subtraction of two 8-bit numbers. So already the last class we have seen the addition of two 8-bit numbers with and without carry. So today in method 1 we have used the immediate addressing mode. So using the immediate addressing mode we can get the two numbers. So MVI A,02. So MVI A,02 means we are getting the value accumulator as 02H. Then B, 07. We are moving the B value as 07. So B is equal to 07H. Next, we are using the subtraction operation to get the difference between the A register and the B register value. So sub B. Sub B means this accumulator is equal to B minus A. So B value is 07. Minus A value is 02. So we will get the answer as 05. So A is equal to 05. So that result, accumulator result is we have to store it in some location. So let us take the 4600 as a memory location. Then using the STA instruction we can store the accumulator value to 4600. This location. Next, we will move on to the method 2. So, in the method 1, we are giving the direct value. In method 2, here we are considering the memory location. So, let us take 4500 as the memory location. In that, we are getting some value as 06. Then 4501 we are getting the value as 02. Next we have to store the location 4502. We have to find the answer. So LDA, using the LDA instruction load accumulator, we are getting one value, that is the 06 to the 4500, that is moved to the accumulator. So now the accumulator value is 06. Next, we have to move that 06 to the B register. So now B register will be 06. Next, we have to load accumulator as the 4501 location value, that is 02. So 02 is moved to this accumulator. So now the A value will be 02. So already we have got the value B register and the A register. Next we have to find the difference of these two values. So we are using the subtraction instruction sub B. So A is equal to B minus A, that is 06 minus 02, we will get 04. So that 04 will be stored in the accumulator. That accumulator value again we have to store it in one memory location. So using the store instruction STA, the accumulator value is stored to the 4502 location. Here the value is stored as 04. Finally we have to give the halt operation to stop the process. Next we will move on to the method 3. In method 3 we are using the load register pair, that is LXI instruction. So LXI H, 5000. So here also we are considering the memory location 5000. So in the 5000 we have to get the value. So in the 5000 we are getting as 01H. Next, that value is moved to the accumulator using the instruction move instruction. So move A, M, that 01 is moved to the accumulator. So now the accumulator value is 01. Next, increment H. So increment H means in the 5001 there will be value called 03. Example. So increment H means in the 5001 the value 03 can be moved to the H register, that is memory 03. So next, using the subtraction instruction, you have to find the difference H minus A. So that is A is equal to M minus A. So M value is 03, then A value is 01. We will get the answer as 02. So accumulator will be 02. So that value we have to store into the one location, that is called 5002 location. Using this store instruction, we can move the accumulator value to the 5002. Next, we have to substitute the halt operation. Next, we will move on to the fourth method. So in fourth method, we are considering memory location. So here we are considering as 4601H. So 4600, then 4601, 4602, and then 4603. So these are the memory locations. So here we have to get one data. So here we are taking as 07, and then 4600 we are taking as 05. So we have to find the difference. So see here, load accumulator, we are taking 4601 as one value. So now the accumulator value 4601 is 07. So we can take it as 07. Then that accumulator value is moved to the B register. So now B register will be 07. Next, using the load operation, load accumulator 4600. So in the 4600, memory points as this location. Here the value will be 05. So accumulator is equal to 05. Next, we have to find whether the carry is present or not, whether it is the negative sign or the positive sign, whether we are subtracting lower number to the higher number or higher number to the lower number. So that's why we have to initiate C register as 00. See MVI C as 00. So now C equal to 00. Then we are subtracting the value. So using the subtraction instruction. So SUB B. So that means A is equal to B minus A. So B value is 07 minus A value is 05. So we will get the answer as 02. Here there is no negative sign. Suppose if we are subtracting 05 to the 07 means there will be minus 02. Negative sign will be present. So we can increment the C register. So here we have to check whether the carry is present or not. So jump on no carry. So jump on no carry. If there is no carry means then it goes to the loop 1. So loop 1 is nothing but it stores the accumulator value. So now the accumulator value is 02. So here there is no carry. So for this example, directly it is moved to the STA 4602. So here the 4602, the value will be 02. The answer. Suppose the carry is present, that is in the negative number. So we have to increment the carry INR C. So INR C means here it is incremented. So now the C value will be C equal to 01. Next, we have to do the 2's complement operation for the subtraction. So we have to do the accumulator value as the 1's complement. Accumulator 1's complement. Then we have to add 1 to the 1's complement. So we will get the 2's complement. So see here we are using the complement accumulator. So complement accumulator means we are doing the 1's complement. Then using the ADI instruction, that is immediate addressing mode, we can add 01 to the accumulator. So the 2's complement performance can be done here. 2's complement. So finally we have to store the carry value. So move A, C. So that carry value is moved to the accumulator. Then we have to store that carry value, that accumulator value to some other location. So here we are using the 4603 location. So 4603 means here we can get the answer as 01. In this program, the value will be 00. Suppose it is 05 minus 07 means we will get the answer as 4603 as 01. Next, finally, we have to give the halt operation to stop the process. So this is the subtraction operation of the two 8-bit numbers. So next class we can see the multiplication of the two 8-bit numbers.